a new Amtrak lift bridge. It's a Bascule bridge, and it replaced a Scherzer rolling lift bridge in 1998. That girder Bascule lift, built in 1998, Metro North Commuter Railroad, and it crosses the Connecticut River, located in Bridgeport, Connecticut. It's still new. It's still in service. Therefore, rapid transit. And I think this bridge raises only for ships and boats. But I never seen this bridge raised before. But I believe that I'm sure that it raises, for boats and ships, and then it lowers for transit trains and everything. So yeah, so it's still new. So, and it's still in service. So it's located in Bridgeport, Connecticut.